Okay, everybody, I'm going to share the unwrapping of day one. So grateful to all you guys for these kind packages and the effort that you went through. Okay, the least I can do is share the fun with you all. So here's day one. Oh, it's quite small. It's a bit soft, but there's something hard in the middle. Interesting. It's a stuffed toy to keep me company. Let's have a look. Nicely packed, whoever did that. Wow, must have taken a while. Here we go. Alright. Oh, my goodness, here we go. Ooh, it's delicate. It's got... Oh, we have a note. We have a note. You are back at home and all the craziness of moving is done. Now you just need to take a deep breath. So true. Have a sip of tea. Done. Thank you. And count the days to freedom. Doing. Wanted to get you actual Chinese tea since you won't get as good ones in Australia. This is true. There is a Chinatown, but it's not the same as Hong Kong. But you would then have to declare it at customs. Yes, so true. And thank you so much for that. So that was a no-go. Oh, that's very thoughtful. Okay, Chinese tea. I do miss it already. Quality Chinese tea. Like Uncle would have it hot. Okay. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. I can see the... Oh, look at that. Oh, guys, this is like beyond my expectation. This is beautiful. Thank you very much. Oh, it's a matching pair. Oh, that is delicate. That is nice. I can just imagine quality tea in there and just delicately just sipping a modest amount at a time. Now that's classy. Thank you, guys. Day one has set the standard. That's amazing. Thank you. Hope you're all doing very well back there. Missing you guys. See you till tomorrow.